How to dislike all liked videos on Instagram. To dislike all liked videos on Instagram, you can simply open up the Instagram app, and this is the kind of interface that you will see. So simply tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then just tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side. Then once you've done that, simply go to your activity. Then under interactions, select the option called likes. Now from the likes option here, since we want to dislike all the videos, you will see photos or videos, but you can also simply select all content types and select only the reels option. Now to begin unliking them, tap on the select option, select the photos, posts or videos, anything that you might have liked previously in the past, and then from there you can simply tap on the unlike button from the bottom in order to unlike it. This way you'll be able to dislike all the liked videos on Instagram. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.